Hey everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry, and today I have a fried pork chop recipe for you. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button. And I just want to say before we get started that my videos are not made for children. They are only made for adults. So let's get started here. We have some pork chops that have been cleaned and seasoned. I season them with this peppercorn medley. It's in a grinder. And this rosemary and sea salt garlic seasoning, which is so good. I also have some canola oil that I added to a skillet. And while that's heating up, I'm going to put some flour in a bowl with some panko. The panko is going to add some texture. And then I'm also going to season the flour with that same rosemary, garlic, sea salt seasoning. So we're going to check to see if the oil is ready by just putting some flour in there. And if it bubbles up and does all of that it's doing right now, then it's ready to go. So we're not using any egg or anything like that. We're just going to dredge our pork chops in the flour. Make sure you shake off that excess and lightly put it in the oil. This oil is hot. If you drop it in there, you're going to hurt yourself. So be careful when you're doing this. You don't want to overcrowd your pan. So I only added 2 pork chops at a time because you want to have room for the pork chops to cook. So each one you're going to do the same thing. Make sure you coat that pork chop and then shake off that excess and slowly add it to the oil. So these pork chops are going to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. I have it on about medium heat. You want to flip it over and it should be GBD, which is golden brown and delicious, just like this. If you were deep frying it, you wouldn't need to flip it over. It would just fry completely, but you want it to be GBD on both sides. So you can use a rack or some paper towels, whatever, to drain that excess oil. I'm just going to put these on a baking sheet. And after that, the pork chops look just like this. Just pair it up with some sides that you like. And that's that. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button for more notifications. And I will see you guys in the next video.